Hello everyone, welcome back here. In this lecture, you are going to learn CSS background color. How we are applying a background color to your taken a space or you are controlling area or a particular box. Let's see here a few basic steps in the presentation and later we'll see in real-time practical example. Let's start. See the CSS color names. Basically, I have taken a few colors only. It's a tomato, the name of the colors, orange, dark blue, medium sea green, gray, state blue, violet, light gray. So the name of the colors, these all are web colors. Nowadays, web pages are going to be designing using web colors. So let's see. The tag I'm taking for an example, it's a H1. From the HTML tag, it's an H1 tag I have chosen and style equal to, I have taken a property of background-color. It's the name of the property. It's a background color. So colon and the name of the value I have given here according to our previous slide. It's a tomato I have taken. So see the tomato when I am taking and the text plainly we have written like a tomato. So the output would be displayed like a H1. The tomato color is going to be displayed like this tomato background. Let's see here. And this way we'll try to see in a program. Go to like a Sublime Text Editor. Yeah. Here we may observe here the we're taking like a H1 tag. So these the things are not required. So I'm removing the rest of the things. Yeah. So these colors are here. Right. The table is also not essential right now. So removing all this, even the font tag, list items. Yeah. Everything I have removed except for this. So now see H2 or H1 when I choose in H2 tag I'm taking and tomato is a color I have written in the tag. Now go to the browser. See only the test tomato which is by default color like a black color it is displaying. So to applying a color for this background color for this blue like this tomato, how it is possible? Let's see, it's a called inline style tag. So the inline style tag, how we will write? Style attribute and here background color is a property. Yeah, background color is a property colon and write the name of the color tomato. It's a color name is tomato. Yes, and put a terminator for here. Save it and run for this and check with the output. Save it and if it is the browser is open, you just simply refresh. Why the color is not approved here? So H2 tag style equal to background color tomato and terminate. So style to be applied here, no? So why it's not done? Save this. Particularly save it and reload the page. So it's not coming, just wait. I'm going to the browser of Google Chrome. Yeah, it's not coming. So let's say second style equal to background color and tomato T-A-M-A, sorry, tomato, its spelling is T-O, tomato. Yep. Save it and reload the page. Wow, it's applying for background, both pages. The way the both browsers, it will be applied. Correct? So this way you have to correct it. Like if any spellings and all, you have to check it. Okay. So similarly, the tomato color we are taken. I'm taking a copy of this H2 tag and putting over here and I'm trying to changing into blue, BLUE. So you want to see as in a blue, BLUE. Save it, reload the page, you will get the next tag as in a background is blue. So how simple it is. Accordingly, how many colors you have, you quickly take more colors here. If you want to take a cyan, you can take it here and write down a simple cyan. Yeah, save it, go to the browser and reload the page. Wow, we are getting. So this way. And instead of background color, if you want to write like some text colors by applying of the CSS text, how you will do a simple property called like paragraph I am applying here. This is a simple paragraph text. So this paragraph, when I see in output, it will be seen like a plain black. Nothing is applied for any style. So here I'm taking style equal to color only. Text color when I am changing, so it's a color property I'm taking, and the color property TO tomato I'm going to applying. So save it and terminate here. Yeah, first property we are going to be like with the colon, and the second it is going to be presenting like a value, which value we are going to be writing. So refresh, so the color is changed to tomato. And same, what is the paragraph tag, or what is the like it's a element of any HTML, you straight away you can write like a style equal to color property and the value. So you will get the very quickly text or anything you will be get here. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.